Hi, I'm Pauline Johnson. I'm Managing Director of Oakbray. Oakbray has been established since 1985, so we're coming up to our 40-year anniversary, which is a huge milestone. The business has always been family owned and has always been very proud to be family owned. We have always been based in Stoke-on-Trent and we make hose assemblies of all varying kinds, including air conditioning hoses, fuel hoses, brake hoses. We can move on to fuel and heater, coolant, and then we go on to large assemblies with hydraulics. And we do that for very large OEMs that we've worked with for 30 plus years. Our manufacturing process is very traditional. We've only got part of our processes that can be automated. After that, it's very labour intensive and very skilled. All of our team have to be able to read drawings. We have to make exact to drawings to very small and important tolerances. We have over the years built up quite a reputation for being very quality led. We ensure that that's at the heart of what we do, and all our staff know exact quality standards and measures that we have to adhere to. And I think that's really important for Oakbray. Being a small business and being very traditional in our methods, we have to have a USP. We have to be different to the larger competitors that we have. Some of our competitors make their own fittings, make their own hose. So not only do we have to compete on price, we have to be better. We have to continually find ways of making sure that we are better than the next person to keep our business going. Considering we've been around for 40 years, I think we're doing quite well. We are also very adaptable. We have to be to compete. So some of the larger businesses might not want to deal in smaller quantities. We don't shy away from that. We're not just here to hit the large quantities. We go from a one-off piece and we flex up to over 1,000 plus batches, and have to make sure that everything that we do, from where we purchase our goods to how we make our goods, is always with the main focus of quality. We buy in from reputable, well-known suppliers who warranty everything that they sell, and we pass that on to our customers so that we've got confidence that what we're providing is excellent and there's no compromise.